That might be the cobia.
Oh no!
He popped.
God damn it.
That's all right, man. Just get another live bait on.
Yeah. That was a small live bait.
Was it?
Yeah. It was one of those little swirls that you guys told me not to use.
It was?
Yeah. The thing that you guys told me not to use, that's what worked.
Why are you 2 feet away? You're killing me.
Feels like a good one.
Moby Dick, man.
Steve hasn't caught anything.
What's Steve's turn now?
Kind of sore back.
Don't lose him.
What is
Got
that?
flash.
Oh, we got line.
You got my line.
Got a mangrove.
Don't worry about the line.
Look out, look out. Move that away.
It's a mangrove. Just grab the line. Just grab the line and flip them in.
God, dog. You don't see that shit over on the other side.
I wish you did. That one's real nice.
I know the mangroves we get 10 inches.
Fucking 12 inches, 12 inches, maybe, if you're lucky.
How big do they have to be to keep?
Here, well, I'll get a picture.
Yeah,
Oh, then he's far legal. By a lot.
I don't think it's legal, man. You gotta throw them back.
Wait, they're 10 inches is
Throw
worth
that back in. Throw that in. No, it's illegal.
nice, dude.
right?
Nice, nice fish.
Yeah, bro. Here.
That's
One
awesome.
thing I do like about this boat is that fucking
Dude, that
thing
hook
right
almost
here.
fell out, huh?
Yeah. Is that a circle? Perfect. I want to eat it.
Why not?
Here, gaff it. Or a net or something. Here. Yeah, he is. Heavy little sucker.
Did he have spines on his back too or not?
It's got tennis shoe on it.
There you go.
Put your arm out. Put your arm out. Watch.
We all look like that? Yeah. Tennis shoe head, sneaker head.
Yeah.
Put it on your arm. Right here. Put this on your arm.
Oh, that feels so weird.
Let go.
Like that, Jake.
You let go.
He'll put a hickey on you, man. If you're like
Jake, get a picture of him.
You put your like.
That's a huge
Throw him on
remora.
there. He'll suck right.
That's
Yeah, put him
such a
on your
cool
belly. Wet your
fish.
belly. Put him on your belly.
I'm good.
Such a cool looking fish, man.
Look at his head, Dad. Look at that
I
thing.
mean, it's just a big tennis shoe on his head, right?
That's why we call him tennis shoe head.
Look at that, Dad. He's got all these little rays and stuff.
I know
Yeah, man. They'll
something that
suck
put
the
that
shit
on
out of it.
the
Like you put your hand up on it,
How
like
it feel?
they'll suck on your hand.
Yeah, it feels real weird. It feels like he's kind of like biting you. It feels like he's biting you.
You know,
That's crazy, huh?
state
All right, are we gonna eat
It's
him?
like a suction cup. Look at that.
We're gonna eat him, right?
Throw 'em in
All right. Perfect.
of illegal in Florida. What's that? That was the accident. Yeah.
There you go.
You go down to my.
That was cool though. Does he have bottom? Yeah. Ooh. There's fish though.
Weird, man.
Ooh,
Shit.
that's heavy. Oh, that's heavy. That's a trigger. I got a trigger, I think.
Dude, that
Yeah.
fucking ripped it out of my hand.
Oh, that's heavy.
Well, hopefully it goes into that vermilion.
Jay, where's your balloon? Good stuff now.
Oh my God.
Is it a good fish, boy?
Yeah, it's something big. Strong.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, it is.
Never got.
I don't think I need it.
It's a flipper. That's a trigger. The way it's acting, it's a trigger.
I can see it down deep. Yeah, that's a trigger.
What is that?
That's a trigger.
Right over there. Straight ahead. Where, Steve? See it? Where's that weed?
Yeah, that's a trigger.
I told you it was a trigger. Nice. Yeah, I knew it was a trigger. Trigger fish. They turn sideways, they swim around in a circle.
I got someone's braid too, though.
Was it a cobia?
I've never hit one.
Is it a cobia, barracuda?
There's something on this.
I got someone's braid too. Who's using black braid?
This one down on the bottom.
Who's using black braid?
That's over here. Your dad? Me?
Oh, yeah, I got you as well.
Asshole.
It's not my fault. It's on my hook.
I watched you drop it. Broke it.
You get one? Yep, there you go. Put that rod up. Put that rod up.
He's got it? God, no. Leave it be, son. Oh, fuck.
Been fishing before you were a piece of sperm.
Right? Fishing when you were, before you were thought of.
That's not true.
Yeah, I was.
You always thought about having kids.
No, I didn't. Not when I was your age.
Really?
It's a trigger, isn't it?
No, that's a big trigger. I'll stab him in the head for you. Just whine, just whine. Just whine.
It wasn't whining anymore.
Yeah.
Look at that goddamn mangrove! God, here.
Yeah.
My mangrove.
Don't need it.
Way to go.
Is that a good fish?
That's a damn good fish. That's
Here, can you put that away, please?
That's what we're at
Someone?
right there.
All right.
I knew they were down there. That's why I cut that bait that way.
It's on film, too.
That's a small one.
A keeper, though?
That just made my feeder hard.
Keeper, though?
Yeah, that was a good fighter, though.
Hey, don't stick your fingers in there.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna.
He got some teethers on him.
Yeah. You want to put your hand in it?
Get a picture of him, why?
I got it on video. We can get pictures later. That's nice, though.
When they're all dried out.
You've been robbed. We need to call the police. You've been robbed.
Could throw a chunk on?
It's already got bait. It's still got bait.
Does?
Yeah.
So I even get my bait back?
You did get your bait back.
Sweet.
Just
Knew they were down
fix that hook.
Oh, that's a nice chunk of bait you put
Is
on.
that bait still good?
It's called a plug.
That's bitchin'.
Bait's still good, right?
I can't wait to come back
Yep.
and live here and go with you. Look at that one down there.
Oh no!
Oh,
shoot it with the gun.
he's touching
You
it.
need to reel it in real slowly so he comes closer to the boat. Too late now, I think.
Hey, babe.
Hold on.
Hold on, this little hammerhead.
No. Look at the hammerhead.
He's got it.
Let him go with it.
All right. Is it a circle or what?
No, he just broke.
Chicken.
Did he break?
Damn, yeah.
He just broke.
No, he didn't.
He's coming
There's
back.
bait.
He's right behind it.
That's another one.
No, it's the same.
Same one?
Yep.
Shoot him?
Reel it in. A little bit.
How's that little fucker
No, he's
taste?
still there.
They'll taste
There's
good.
a remora on it. Look
He's
at him.
chasing it. He's chasing it. I'm gonna let him eat it. There you go. There he goes. Oh, did he break that time? Yeah, there's wire.
Yeah, we
Hey,
got
where's
one.
your camera?
Right. Downey's getting it.
Oh, you filming it?
I'm filming it as well.
It tastes
Hell
like
yeah.
pig. Everyone thought it was pig when I barbecued it up.
Look at that.
Babe, you watching this?
That's awesome.
Should I put it in free spool and let him run?
Yeah, just let him run.
Here comes another one. Another hammerhead?
Yeah, in the back. Got another one in the back.
I think he's got it.
Yeah, I think you're on.
Reel. Tighten up your drag.
You're on.
There it goes.
Yeah!
I'm glad that's not mine, though.
That's an 8,000.
Yeah, you're good.
Pass
Just
it
let
over
that
to
sit
him,
because you. Oh,
Pass it. Let it go forward.
Nope. What do you mean?
Jump around the rail and take off.
Alan was standing the way.
We would have caught it.
He wouldn't move.
Or the anchor's up there.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Probably did hit the anchor line and broke off.
That or rubbed against his skin. Yeah, he broke the braid.
That other hammerhead's coming.
Is it?
That's 80-pound braid.
Yeah. That was cool though.
Yeah.
He break?
He broke
Yeah.
off?
he just broke.
Oh, fuck.
No, he didn't.
He's coming back. He's right behind it.
There's another one.
No, it's the same.
Same one?
Did we shoot him?
Reel it in. A little bit.
How's that little fucker taste?
They'll taste
There's
good.
a remora on it. Look at him.
Chasing it. He's chasing it. I'm gonna let him eat it.
They got one.
Why don't we free gap them? Is there wire on that?
Yeah, there's wire.
Hey, where's the camera?
Right. Downey's getting it.
Oh, he's filming it?
I'm filming it as well.
It tastes like pig. Everyone thought it was pig when
I wanted to go up top to
Look at
the...
that.
Babe, you watching this?
That's awesome.
Should I put it in free spool and let him run?
Yeah, just let him run.
Here comes another one.
Another hammerhead?
Yeah,
Oh,
in the
yeah.
back.
Fuck
Got another one
yeah.
in the back.
I think he's got
No, that's
Yeah, I think
crap.
you're on.
Real.
That's crap.
Tighten up your drag.
You're on.
That's not my deal.
Start heading to the bow.
That's an 8,000.
Yeah, you're good.
Pass it over to him, Alan.
Huh?
Pass it. Let him go forward.
Aw, why?
What do you mean?
You were supposed to jump around the rail and take off.
Alan was standing the way.
We would have caught it.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the second part of this 4 or 5 part series. I haven't really decided yet. But stay tuned. There will be at least 2 more videos of Florida fishing fun. And after that, of course, we have some San Diego foot. And of course, catch you guys out on the water. Till then, tie lines. See ya.